Hey, what are you doing computer while dancing?
I just to go to bed, because the fever is still.
Let me recheck the temperature again.
No, 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 no.
Oh no 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 whoa. Whoa. How dare you fake being sick? That's it. I'm calling your Thomas and Friends Fan 2024.
It because I told you to fake being sick, I am calling your teachers. I'm taking to history test today. Hello Thomas and Friends Fan 2024. Well, to reason, Lou is absent because the fake being sick. Can you please taking the history test? Okay. Bye. Your Thomas and Friends Fan 2024 is coming to 20 minutes, so, get ready taking the test. Lou, I cannot you fake being sick. That's it. We're taking the history test. You have 100 questions. So we're have taking history test. Start it right now.
Oh God. Time's up. I have to you're my first question.
Yeah. The reason why is your history test, so we had wrong questions. So.
What's going on?
Lewis Perfection, we cannot believe you failed your history test. That's it.
You are grounded for 5 billion years. Go to your room.